Let's talk air conditioning. How much electricity does your air conditioner actually consume? And how can you maximize your cooling these hot summer months? Are there any engineers listening? Let me know if my math is mathing. So, a 1 horsepower air conditioner will consume about 750 to 1,000 watts. So that's 0.75 or 1 kilowatt hour, making it about 8 to 11 pesos per hour. Here's my estimate of kilowatt hours and rates, and you can compare this to your aircon horsepower. By that math, a 1.5 horsepower air conditioner running for 8 hours will cost you about a little over 100 pesos per night. Of course, consumption changes depending on room size, outdoor temperature, thermostat, and a lot of other factors. So how can we maximize our air conditioning and hopefully lower our electricity bill this summer? I'll put some practical tips in the caption, and I'll also share it as a card that you can read easier. But one rule of thumb, keep it at 26 degrees. Sounds hot? Trust me, it'll work. Read more in the caption. And the best, if you don't need it, just turn it off.